Well, morning. Gardner here again, folks. This is me just checking on my plants. It's not a long story, just checking on my plants. The light here has one bulb in it that is one of those plant bulbs, and 4 foot fluorescent T5, I think it is. And so thought I'd give it a try. And some of you might know, from experience, that it really works. I'm not having any issues with any of my plants. I'm using very little water. Because most times people have issues as they overwater, and so I'm making sure that I don't do that. Let's see if I can slide these out. Now we got tomatoes here, and everything's grown in bulk this year. We got two tomatoes, one here, which is Brandywine, and the other one here, which is Cherokee Purple, and then all of these right here are basically peppers, and they're peppers. Now I grow them inside this black plastic bag here, and you'll be amazed how quick they germinate inside of a black plastic bag. It's got a thermostat ran in there. It's sitting on a heat mat. Bada boom, bada bang. That's what it's doing. And I got then when it comes out of there, it's this color here when it comes out. They're like a yellowish color, but they germinate really fast. Now, once you leave them under the light, see that's what they look like when they come out, kind of yellowish. No color to them, no pigment. Then in a couple of days, they turn into this. Um, so that's where we are. Now this right here, I don't know which ones this is. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm not picking it up, but it's probably the eggplant. Oh no. This is the gold something gold jubilee, I believe, some kind of tomato. I'm just trying it out this year. I don't know how it tastes or anything. Just bought it for fun. This one here is another pepper. So we got everything in here from peppers and just it's just working out real great. Everything is germinating really well. I purchased all these seeds on eBay, and the reason why I did it eBay, I gave them a try, and I said, give them a try, see what happens. I'm getting like 99, 95% germination on everything. So that's what I do. So I'm not gonna give anybody $3 for packs of seeds. Now, all these seeds here are heirloom, and once they do produce fruit, I will save the seeds from them. I'm getting tired of keep buying seeds every year. It's just a waste. It's a waste of money. All right, folks. This is the Morning Gardener, and please leave some comments. I like your comments. I actually answer those and get back to you. Oh, there's some spinach there. And these seeds came from some of them came from eBay, some of them came from online and all that stuff. And this is the water I'm using. It's a mixture of um, fish emulsion uh, and also water. And what I do with the water is all the water is set out for at least 48 hours before I even use it. So I'm not using straight from the tap. I don't want to do that. I just don't want to. Look at that. See something back there in that tray? These are old meat trays that I rinsed out and put plants in them. What the heck? Recycle. All right. That's me, folks, for today. Thank you very much for listening. And remember to comment. And if you have any good information you could push off to me there, go ahead and do that. I appreciate it. These are grown, like I said, in bulk. I'm not going to put 2 or 3 seeds in each pot. Bulk, so I can separate them later. All right.